Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaways. We are unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag, as well as giving away one of the items to one of you. I do want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Too Faced That's My Jam palette. It's super cute. This is mine. I do have a brand new one for you. Look in the description box down below under current giveaways. It talks about how to enter this one. Also, you guys, under current giveaways, it talks about how to enter that huge one with a Natasha Denona Glam palette in it for a 2,000th subscriber. So make sure that you enter that one as well. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel and watch the videos in their entirety. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings and mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel. As far as what is on my eyes today, it is the Glam Light Chocolate Martini. And it kind of looks like that. I use kind of the purples and pinks in here. So somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. How are you guys doing? Did you do anything fun for the weekend? I'll insert a picture here in a second. It's called the Boise Basque Sheepritters Ball. It's where a long time ago all the sheepritters would come down from the mountains in the winter and they'd all have this one big ball. Well, now pretty much nobody sheepritters, but they still continue this ball with all the Basque tradition. And the Basque dancers dance, and my son is one of those. So we went and watched him perform, and then there was a band that played afterwards, so stayed for that. It was a lot of fun. So let me know what you guys did. I love chatting back and forth with you guys. So this is Ipsy. It is a beauty subscription. This is my December bag. It is mainly a makeup bag, and it has makeup items, skincare items. They're mainly deluxe size items. Every once in a while they will throw in a full size. They're supposed to be throwing in more full sizes since they did up the price to $14. So I'm interested in finding out, did I get full-size items? Did I get sample size? Let's find out. So the bag itself looks like that. Super cute, super for the holidays. Does have Ipsy here on the background. Looks like a little Christmas ornament for the pull tag. It looks like this on the inside. So if you see me looking down, my notes are on my phone. What Ipsy says about this is, come one, come all. This month's bag is your invitation to the glammiest show on earth. Topped off with an ornament-inspired gold ball zipper pull, this glittery bag is a speculatory, shiny addition to your holiday. Plus, it's filled with everything you need for your biggest beauty feats yet. It's like skincare, hair care, and more. So the first thing in here is from Aceology. It's a Hydro Glow Enhancing Green Tea Eye Masks. There's obviously 2 counts. It is a deluxe mini. They're eye patches. Tea or coffee. Enjoy the benefits of both. This eye mask set contains expertly crafted blend of green tea extract and caffeine with cucumber extract Allantoin Hello Hydration. It visibly invigorates your under eye area. I can't use caffeine, so this will be in today's giveaway or future one, something like that. Next item in here is Skin 1004 Madagascar Centella Hydra Cia First Ampule. It is a deluxe mini serum. This hydrating ampule quickly boosts moisture and preps your skin to absorb the next steps of your skincare routine. Its key ingredients is Cia, the brand's unique complex made from hyaluronic acid and Centella Azteca, also known as Cia, to help provide hydration while helping you restore your skin barrier. The next item in here is from Tarte. It's their Shape Tape Corrector in Peach. Obviously, this is a deluxe size and mini. Neutralize dark under eyes and discoloration with the help of this creamy color corrector. It's long-lasting, full coverage, and packed with hyaluronic acid to help hydrate your under eye mask. So I have one in this shade, and it's the Tarte Shape Tape Color Corrector, but in pink. So I don't know if you're going to be able to tell the difference here. Obviously the pink is much lighter, so I love using that. The pink helps neutralize the purple in the dark circles underneath my eyes. So that's why I like the pink one better. Actually, I kind of see, so on my hand I was kind of playing with this blue eyeshadow earlier, just doing a swatch. So let's put the color corrector over it and you'll see how hopefully that will neutralize that out. So I put it on there. Now let's just kind of blend a little bit. Do a little tap, tap, tap. There, and see how it kind of like evens that out. You can still kind of see it just a little bit, but I mean hardly at all. From Trailus Beauty is a illusion volumizing and lengthening mini mascara in black, obviously a deluxe size sample. The long-lasting buildable while adding insane volume and length. The best part, the world's twin vortex design allows for an even application each time, no clumping here. And the last item is the Vichy Skincare Self-Absorbed Moisturizer. Obviously a deluxe size mini. Secret word of the day is celebration. So you're about to enter the Power by Phytospherics, a revolutionary hyaluronic acid, perfect for plumping avocado oil, rich in omega-6 fatty acids. These skin-loving ingredients work as a team to help deeply nourish the skin without feeling heavy or greasy. What did you guys think? What was your favorite item in here? For favorite item in here, I'm going to go with the Vichy moisturizer. What was your guys' favorite? For my least favorite, just because I can't use it, is probably those Aesology eye masks. They're great for people who can use caffeine and stuff. I just can't. You know, everything in here, every single item in here was a sample size, and if you're supposed to be putting more full-size items in there, you didn't do it, Ipsy. So I'm kind of annoyed right now. Hopefully next month will be better. Let's start the year off better. Let's go ahead and give away those eye masks. I just can't use them. Would much rather have somebody else use them. In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. So you only fill out the form once, but there's ways that you can get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is, like I said, you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it if you did do the bonus entries. Only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I do check. You don't want to get disqualified. So your 4 ways are: number 1, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is to follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is to follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share it with your family, friends, on your social media accounts. When you do share it on the social media accounts, tag me. I absolutely love seeing that. And I wanted a way to give back, to say thank you so much for sharing it, because it really helps the channel grow when you guys do that. And I really appreciate it. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, and anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. So let's have the giveaway go through January 12th, midnight Mountain Standard Time. Then on January 17th, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the entry forms, bonus entries, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, I'll put the first name, first initial, the last name into the computer. The computer spins it all around. We all see the computer spin it all around, and the computer picks the winner. So don't has to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you if you have the time. Greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!